folks, net fishing part 2. We're here. We made it to the lake. It's 10:30 or 10:20. Hope you enjoy the video. Hope it encourages you to fish also or get outdoors. All right, we'll pull the net and we'll bring you guys along. Thank you for coming. Thank you. All right, we're taking out we're cleaning the hole and we'll tie the string on and then we'll pull the net. Dustin's coming. It's clearing up. It's early. We tied the string on over there, ready to go. We're gonna clean out this one and get ready to pull the net out. We'll check out the catch. Hope it's a good one. Hard work. You gotta be prepared. You need a team. There's a look at the lake. A little foggy now. There's Dustin. We're gonna get ready to pull the net. I pressed record again. I shut off the skidoo. Yeah, get you a little bit of footage. Taking the ice out. Yeah. There's the sun, 10:30 a.m. The sun's coming up and pushing the warm weather towards us. Should be warm by afternoon. What do you say it's gonna be about? 10? Minus, yeah, by afternoon when the sun's up. Minus 10. It's good weather. See how clear the water is. It's pretty clear. All right, we'll clean the hole and we'll show you a little bit of our catch because we got work to do also. All right, first pull of the net. Yeah, awesome. Oh, a whitefish. Whitefish, jackfish. Whoa, 3 right off the. Whoa, wow, whoa. Oh, another one. Heavier. We'll just go a little ways, maybe. Awesome, white, lot of whiteys. Jacks. Whitefish. A lot of whitefish. Whites, they call it, yeah. All right, that's good enough. All right, second pull of the net. Day 2. Lots of whitefish, jackfish. Whoa. They're all over the place. Back there too. Oh, that's a jumbo. Wow. Whoa, a sucker. Stop! Third pull of the net.
Jumbo whitefish, whitefish. Oh, that's a whirly one, eh? Jackfish.
Oh, jack fillets. Oh,
it was full moon
whitefish,
last night too, I think,
dry
yeah.
fish, dry fish.
Oh,
oh, look, coney.
fish.
Coney fish there. Wow. Oh, look at that big whitey. Another white, another white. Awesome. Oh, we got work to do, folks. Look at the lake. The sun's coming up, blowing the heat towards us. There it is, look. It's up now. Nice. Oh, Better take some fish off. Teamwork. All right, fourth pull of the net. Whoa, walleye. Walleye! Yeah. See, you can keep going. Whoa, yeah. Walleye, we got one. He wanted one walleye. We got one for him. Yeah, fourth pull of the net, folks. Hope you're enjoying the video. Hope it brings you value and encourages you. And hope it's educational. There's the look of the sun. It's up even more. Wow. Still pushing some, blowing on the ice. When the sun comes up, it comes up, blows heat. Oh, no more fish. A lot of whitefish, another walleye there. Cool. Aha. Yep. Whoa, way down there's the lake. Bistro Lake. February 1st, 2026. Yeah, we'll get to work now. We're gonna take all those fish off. Right there. The good Lord has done it again. Right. We pulled the net, folks. We got to the end of it. There's 4 pulls of the net. Dustin, Jill, Mike, Sam, Harvey. February 1st, 2026. We got some fish. We're grateful. Thank you, Lord. Great Spirit. We got some more over there. We'll be sure to share. And there's the last look of the lake before I shut off the camera. Haven't filmed for a while, but I picked it up today. I don't film much anymore. Once in a while only now. There's the sun. Yeah. Right there's some more fish. Hold it up, Jill. Yeah. There's Jack here, yeah. Sure. Yeah, sure. I like Jack. Alrighty. Look at that, folks. It's good. Alright, we're all done. We got some fish there. We're all ready to go. We're gonna take off back that way. Hope everyone enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. And right there, we got it all set in. Other side over there. Another look before again. There's the view of the Jackfish Point. Jackfish Point, good fishing for Jack there. From here to there is good fishing. All right, bye. We just got back. We'll take a little walk. And we were in that cabin. There's a cabin here. We'll take a walk in here. This is the dance hall. Harvey's cooking here. We'll look at the cabin. They're over there. Yeah, Uncle Harvey. Harvey's always took me bush. I learned from him. And my dad, thank you. Harvey's keeping camp. He's cleaning up here. He got it all cleaned up, mopped up, swept up. Awesome. Always cooking back there too on the stove. Got a fish, I think, or a steak. Yeah. Harvey, We'll look at this cabin over here too.
Let's see.
Huh?
I'll take that steak over there.
Okay, cool. Thank you, Harvey. Uncle. And over here, we'll take a walk. There's a cabin right there. Nice cabin. That's the dance hall. Right there's the cabin we're staying at. All right, bye for now. All right, there's Sam. Say hello, Sam.
Hello, hello.
Yeah. Sam's making wood and sawing trees and cleaning also. Yeah.